Hi, my name's Sam Burrow and this is Neil Collier, and we are the owners of BlueFoot Travel. We are currently in Grenada, sat on our yacht Nemo, a Dufour Gibbsy 51. We are both yacht masters. I'm a yacht master offshore and Neil is a yacht master ocean. And Neil is also a RYA cruising instructor, so his focus is on teaching beginners to sail and feel completely comfortable on a boat.
For the last 4 years, Sam and I have been running cabin charters on our yacht, which means that people come on board and as well as having a great holiday, they get actual hands-on experience of sailing. So it's a great accompaniment to the Nautic Ed online sailing school. Each year we run trips between the US Virgin Islands, British Virgin Islands, as far south as Grenada, so most of the Eastern Caribbean. And the type of people who come with us can range from people who own their own yachts and have lots of experience, all the way down to complete beginners, people who want to try sailing or it's their bucket list trip and they've never been on a yacht before. And many of those beginner sailors have said to us, why don't you put some information together and some videos to show us what we can expect before we come on the yacht?
Absolutely, so that's what we've done. We've prepared some videos, but we've also created a whole course for anyone who started or going on the boat for the very first time. We hope that you enjoy it as you prepare for your sailing holiday, and we wish you a wonderful sailing trip.